Assalamu alaikum, guys. Farida here with Fashion by Faith Iman. Today we're working out our stress management series, really talking about things that are deep, close to me, because I do a lot of stress management training within our coaching modules and our extended module, even with our fashion again and our cuisine. People typically get stressed out in those sectors, and that's why we do feature those sectors in our business, because those are just the primary areas of life that if you can kind of maintain and grow confident in, you can definitely produce some amazing results in life, inshallah. So, physical stressors: being in the house too long, not identifying what it is in your house that is stressing you out, or being physically inactive can definitely just throw off your mood, throw off your production. You might be still quarantining and be at a stage where you're working from home and you're content with working from home. However, please remember to balance out the nuances in the different environmental factors that are in your house. For example, if you cannot deal with being in a space that's too hot, get you some plants in the house. Be proactive on ways you can make your environment very beautiful and very flourishing and very healthy for you. And also be very active in the state of understanding that we need a certain amount of time outside and we need a certain amount of time in nature. So if you can't always get out, or you're in a space where it might be getting a little cold for winter, or the different hurricane season or things that are happening, definitely invest a little bit of time in creating that space in your home where you can feel like you have some ties to nature and ties to activity. Things that you can super control: environmental factors that are causing you stress. Probably you have a small portion of things in your home that are very maybe a little negative or toxic, and you just keep them around because that's your habit, whether it be smoking or drinking, or you have too many devices in one room and there's just kind of a stressful place, or too many books and paper stacked to the wall in one place. Things that are just out of control that you need to get control of, and that you can shift and develop a little bit of a healthy attachment to those things, and then release them and let them go. Again, cleansing is a big form of stress relief, because we react to things that are stressful and we call those things habits. So you might smoke because your different things in your life are stressing you out at home, but really it's a reactive state of thinking that's coming from generally just you not focusing and dealing on how you can cleanse, and whether it be emotionally, physically, or spiritually inside of your home. Last but not least is cleansing toxic habits within your mindset. We're going to go into this a little bit more in another videos, but definitely just when you're home, especially at this time and with all the stress that's going on outside of the home and inside the home, and you're having to actually be physically there for a long period of time, longer than usual, you really understanding how your mind is dealing with that, and like your triggers are super important. Like, what is bothering you first thing in the morning? You're doing meditation, you might be doing your prayer, you might be having a positive start to your day, then you're crashing by noon. What do you need to do, and what is coming through your mindset? Go ahead and jot those couple of things down. Like, for me right now, we're still potty training, so if it's just me for the most part, potty training a very distinctively aggressive grown man in a small person's body. So that takes a lot of my morning energy, and sometimes I'll just like drag getting out of bed because I don't want to do it. I'm like, oh my God, here we are. We're going to have someone fighting with me, screaming at me. Not to mention, again, I do run my business from home for the most part. Even pre-quarantine, we are a virtual consulting business. So I've always been used to having some of my space and quietness in the morning. So I look at that, look at my triggers throughout my day. So I guarantee you, if you start to kind of do that and take some of those stress triggers and say, hold up now, my mental state is not good when this and this happens, and what is my mind saying to me? What voice is going off in my head that's making me feel like less than, unworthy, traumatized mostly, and how can I start to counteract those triggers? So that's a quick video on how we can just kind of take some inventory of what's going on in our mind, and cleansing that area and helping ourselves in different ways when we're in the house, especially now. And again, fall is coming, winter's coming. We're going to have to go through another cycle for the most of us being in the house with the cold and different things like that, and seasonal factors. So please, as always, share, like, comment, and subscribe. We are so happy to like just be here feeding you knowledge, learning from each other. Again, we'd love to see your comments. And as always, you can reach me at fashion./iman.com, and I will be there. Our app is fully engaging. You can join the app for free, and all of those things will be posted in the video below. Salam, salam.